Nisarg Gagrani, it's not easy being the best thing that's happened to you.
So when I first met Nisarg's parents, they asked me two very important questions. Question number one, do you go to the gym? I said, me? Gym? The next question that they asked me was, do you speak Marathi? I was like, whoa, this is even scarier than the gym question. The only Marathi I learned was during Holi parties when they played Dhaga la lagli pada, Pim pada.
Whenever I'm with her, I feel completely at peace with myself. With her, I truly feel like I'm in that moment. It's just her and me, and I've never had that before. I think that's very special. She's the first and only person with which all of that surrounding noise just stops.
जाने कैसे नजर ने तेरी निशाने हाथ आगे हैं सब कुछ नया सा है हर पल हंसी और नए से इरादे हैं किससे सुने थे जो हीरो और रांझा कि सच वो बुला गए हैं
Suchita A. Gagrani. I vow to watch the entire Friends and Harry Potter series dubbed in Marathi so you can learn it with me. Bag re Harry, tu जादूगर आहेस. I can't promise to sparkle in the sunshine or have superhuman speed, but Suchita Gagrani, I promise that if I ever live to 104 years like Edward, I promise to love you more each and every passing day. I love you.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव आहे सुचिता मुखर्जी आणि आता मी होणारे गगराणी. माझ्या नवऱ्याचे नाव आहे निसर्ग आणि तो खूपच छान दिसतो. माझ्या नवऱ्याची आई माझी सासू कमी आणि बहीणच वाटते. सासरे माझे फार कमी बोलतात, पण बोलतात जेव्हा तेव्हा बाकीचे चुप असतात.